Mr. Bong Rubio, Attorney Willie De Ongria. Last call, place your bets. Only one entry, Muralia. Practically all entries are selling. The favorite, Double O, Mamika. Also selling Henry Hill, Luna Rosa. All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Double O, fast to begin, followed by Henry Hill, Muralia, Batong Silya running by Daral, Luna Rosa, while Mamika is running at the tail of the field. Batong Silya by Hapalan, followed by Double O. Henry Hill running in between runners alongside is Muralia, and Luna Rosa is running in fifth by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Mamika passing the half-mile post. Batong Silya this time by about 2 lengths. Muralia on the outside, Henry Hill, Double O in between runners, Mamika and Luna Rosa. As they race the last 500, Batong Silya, Double O is racing on the outside, Henry Hill, Muralia, Mamika racing on the outside, Luna Rosa. As they swing for home, Batong Silya this time by about 3 lengths. Double O racing on the outside, moving up Henry Hill, and down on the inside, Luna Rosa, Muralia, Mamika, Batong Silya. Henry Hill is running by Daral, but still Batong Silya winning this race. Over Henry Hill, Double O, close, Muralia, Luna Rosa, and